We will begin. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. We seek protection in Allah from shaitan, the outcast, and we start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We ask Allah to expand our chest, to make our task easy and to remove the knot from our speech so that everyone may understand. On that note, we will start. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We will start. Quick revision of yesterday's class. We'll go through some of the vocabulary we have seen, just because this is a new lesson. This is important because we'll be having some of these questions in the quiz today. So pay attention. We'll first do the new lesson of today's class. And after we have done the new lesson, we'll then break. We'll go to Kahoot for the quiz. Okay, so that will be towards the later part of the class. For now, we will have the class on Zoom. And when it is time for Kahoot, I'll display the instructions on the screen. Okay, so no need to worry about the quiz and Kahoot for now. For now, pay attention to the class because this is needed for the quiz. Just give me 1 minute. I think people are waiting to join Kahoot. So I'll just put a message on the group asking people to join Zoom. Just 1 more minute. Okay, done. So quick recap of the vocabulary we have seen. We have seen Walid, father, Walida, mother, Jad, grandfather, Jadda, grandmother. To make it easy, we'll call it Jaddatun with the ending vowels. We'll call it Jaddun, Jaddatun. So Jaddun is grandfather, Jaddatun is grandmother, paternal. Walidun is father, Walidatun is mother. We have Akh, which is brother, Ukht, which is sister. That's what we did in class number 1 of lesson 2. Here's the family tree which we went through in the previous class. तो पिछले क्लास में हमने देखा था family tree of the messenger नबी मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. और जब भी मैं बोलता हूँ सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम या जब भी आप कहीं भी सुनते हो सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, तो रिपीट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ताकि you send your salawat and your peace and blessings upon the messenger and you also get rewarded for it. So ये है family tree of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What we have seen here is his close relatives. So we have seen his children, 3 sons, which is Ibnun, 4 daughters, Ibnatun. The difference between Ibnun, Ibnatun, notice in most cases, it is the ta marbuta. It is the closed ta, which gets added to the end to make it feminine. So we have Talibun, which is male student, Talibatun, which is female student, Tabibun, which is doctor male, Tabibatun, which is doctor female. We have Walidun, again, which is father. His father's name is Abdullah. His mother, Amina, is Walidatun. And again, notice there's the ta marbuta, which is the only difference between father and mother. So Walidun becomes Walidatun. We have his uncles, which is Ammun. This is the chacha, father's brother. तो हम अरबी में चाचा को अम्मुन बोलते हैं और फुप्पू को, तो पापा के बहन को, तो the father's sister or the maternal aunt, we would call it ammatun. Okay, this is what we saw till yesterday's class. Now quick summary of some of the grammar we have seen. We'll first do pronouns. Who can unmute and tell me what is anta? Anta is a pronoun. What is anta?
You, male.
You, male. Very good.
You, me.
Anti.
You, female.
She.
You, female. Okay, so if I say to someone in the class, if I speak to Elaf, or if I speak to Hifza, or if I speak to Sadia, and if I were to ask them, how are you, to one of them, I would say, Kaifa haluki anti. Okay, so anti is you. You use you when you're speaking to someone. If I'm speaking about a third person, if I'm speaking about if I'm speaking about Fatima radiallahu anha, I will not say you because I'm not speaking to her. Here I will use here, which is she. Okay. Now coming back to some of the grammar we have seen anta, which is you, male. I would use anta when I'm speaking to Adnan, or when I'm speaking to Hazik, or when I'm speaking to Zahan. I would say anta for one of them. So this is you, masculine, singular. What is ana? Who can tell me what's the meaning of ana?
My.
Ana is me. Or I. Okay. So I would be ana in the proper form. And who can tell me what's the meaning of huwa? What's the meaning of huwa? Again?
He.
He, very good. What is the meaning of here?
She. She.
Very good. So here is she. Now, we have seen the regular form of these words. Let me highlight this as well. What we have seen is we have seen anta, anti, ana, huwa, here. Okay. So if I have to say he is a student, how would I say this, Hazik? He is a student. Fuzil, Afifa, कैसे बोलेंगे he is a
Huwa
student?
Talibun. Huwa
Very good.
Talibun.
Talibun.
So he is a student would be who were Talibun. Very good. Huwa Talibun. Okay. So this is how we have seen the usage of huwa. Now there's an attached form of the verb, okay, which is used in the object case. For now, just take that anta would become ka. The example we have seen is masmuka. The ka here refers to anta.
Anta.
Okay. We have also seen kaifa haluka. How are you? If I were to ask Hazik, ya Hazik, kaifa haluka?
Bi khairin walhamdulillah.
Bi khairin walhamdulillah. So ka refers to anta. So I use this when I'm speaking to Hazik. Now to Sadia. Kaifa haluki ya Sadia?
Bikhairin walhamdulillah.
Bi khairin walhamdulillah. So ki here refers to you for Sadia. We've also seen the e form. Okay, so we have seen ismi, which is my ism or my name. The ana becomes the ending ya. So ismi means my ism, my name. Akhi is the same thing. So my brother. So notice the ana becomes an ending ya. So that's how the ana is used in an attached case. So ana talibun, I am a student, but when I say my name, my takes an object form. So it is name of mine. Okay, so the ending becomes ya. So we'll do more practice, it'll become easy. For now, just try to note this or remember this so that when you see the ending ya, you know it is referring to ana. We have also seen sadiqi. Sadiqi, sadiq means friend, sadiqi means my friend. Now, Afifa, how would we say my brother? My brother को क्या बोलते हैं?
Akhi.
फिर से Afifa?
Akhi.
Akhi, very good. So this is my brother. Now, huwa, we would say who. Okay, so who is the attached form of whoa? Again, we'll do more practice. I'm taking you a little fast into grammar just so that you're able to capture the concepts. Okay, so no need for you to memorize it or remember it. As we do practice, you'll get to know. But this is just to introduce the concept so that when it is used in future, I can refer to it easily. So huwa would become who. So ismu who means his name. His here is the object form. So it is name of him. Okay, so name of him is the object form. So the object form would be who. Huwa, akhuhu would be his brother. So note here, we have seen akhi. Akh is common, which is brother. Akhi is my brother. Akhu, who, because it is who, it's not e, it is his brother. Now, who can tell me your brother? Okay, so if I were to tell Sadia, Akhu ka Adnan, how would I say, Sadia, your brother? How would I change Akhu who to your brother if I were to speak to Sadia and I were to say, look, your brother Adnan? How do I say your brother? So I've seen Akhi is my brother. Akhi is my brother. Akhu who is his brother. How do I say your brother when I'm speaking to Sadia or when I speak to Hifza and I say your brother? How do I say it? Anta akh. No, I'm saying your brother. Okay, so it has to be the object case because it is brother of yours. So it has to be akhuka. And don't worry, we will do more practice. So I'm introducing the grammar early. So it will be who he. If I'm speaking to Hifza and Sadia because there are feminine. Okay, so that's the part on attached pronouns. So thing to note, if you were to only remember one thing from this, look for the ending. If you see an ending ka, if you see an ending ki, if you see an ending e, if you see an ending hu, it's an attached pronoun. Okay, and it's referring to anta, anti, ana, huwa. And as we do more practice, you'll pick these cases and it'll become easier, natural for you, inshallah. Now, one more piece of grammar, which is very, very easy, very simple, is when I say kalamun, it means one pen. It means any pen. Okay. So if I say hada kalamun, it means this is a pen. If I say hada talibun, this is a student, any student. Hada baitun, this is a house.
A house.
If I were to make it specific, if I were to say hada talibu, this student Zahan, hada talibatun, hada talibatu, Sadia, hada talibatu Ilaf, hada talibatu Sifra. I'm making it specific, okay? I'm saying the pen, this specific pen, I would add an al at the starting of it. And the kalamun or talibatun, the tanween or the double dhamma or the double pesh which is at the end would become single. Okay? So kalamun will become al kalamu. Can anyone tell me what would be talibun? So if I were to say al plus talibun, what would this become? Hifza? Afifa? ये क्या बनेगा? तो al plus talibun. Yes, Sazik.
She has got disconnected. She is rejoining.
Okay, Afifa. तो al plus talibun. ये क्या बनेगा?
Al talibun.
at-talibu. बुन नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? तो बुन बू हो जाएगा. एक पेश कट जाएगा जब हम अल ऐड कर रहे हैं. Okay, next Sifra, are you on the call? Sifra? Okay. Ilaf, Hania, are you guys on the call?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So al plus tobibun. Tobibun means doctor. What would this become? Al tabibu. So the bun will become bu. Next question. Hazik, you tell me, if I were to have al plus mudarrisun, so I have mudarrisun, what would this become?
Al Mudarris.
Al mudarrisu or al mudarris. Okay. So if we have al, if you were to remember one thing from this, okay, to make it simple, if you have al, you will not have double page, you will only have single page. Okay. So that's single lesson from this. If you don't have al, it will be double. If you have al, it will be single. Okay. That's what is important. So an example of this is when we say Naam hadihi usratu ar-rasuli. Okay, so it will not be ar-rasulin, it will be ar-rasuli, it will only be single. So it will be single kasra or single zir in this case. Okay, so simple grammar. We have seen attached pronouns. We have seen for anta, anti, ana, huwa. No need to memorize. We'll make this easy and you'll remember this going forward. And we've also seen the definite and the indefinite form. So qalamun would be a pen. When we say the pen, this specific pen, it will become al qalamu. Okay, that's the difference. Now coming to the homework dialogue, I'll read this dialogue once for the benefit of those who have a few corrections to be done. So we'll do practice on this dialogue inshallah, and then we start the quiz. Okay, so this is the lesson for today from the book, and after that we play the quiz and I'll share the instructions for the quiz. So pay attention to this because we also have a few cases linked to this in the quiz. I'll open a clean book. So this is a dialogue which is starting between and al-ab. I'll read this dialogue. तो पहले मैं ये dialogue पढ़ूंगा. आप देखो और सुनो. So उधर वास्तव में see and listen. So the mother says, هذا أذان الفجر. Al-ab, the father, replies, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ayn al-awlad. Sa'dun fil hammami yatawadda'u. Wa ayna Sa'idun. Sa'idun fil ghurfati yaqra'u al-Qur'ana. Wa ayna Sa'idatun. Sa'idatun fil musalla tusalli. أين المعطف؟ هذا هو المعطف يا والدي. وأين النظارة؟ هذه هي النظارة يا والدي. هيا بنا إلى المسجد. هيا بنا. This is the dialogue which all of you from the homework have listened to, and you've also practiced this dialogue. Now I'll explain the meaning of this to you. तो सभी ने ये वाला dialogue सुना है और homework भी किया है, तो अभी मैं उसका मतलब समझाता हूँ. तो first line al तो the mother says, तो is equal to another word. What is the other word we have seen for mother in the previous lesson?
Walidatun.
Walidatun, very good. So the word we have seen before is walida, and is the same. Okay, so there's no difference between them. So take it as same. You could say or you could say walida. The way we say mom or mama or ammi, it's the same. So, okay, so al and al walida is exactly the same. So the mother says, Hada Adanul Fajri. This is the azan of Fajr. And the reason they put the of what we shared in the previous classes because of the kasra. So in the normal case, we would have adanu, Allahu Akbaru, Auladu, Sa'dun, Sa'idun, Sa'idatun, Mi'tafu, Nadaratu. We would have the Dhamma form. That's the normal form. Where we have a kasra, means that there is an off. There's a hidden off before it. This is the way we write off in Arabic. So hada adhanul fajri, the re here indicates that there's an off. So this is the azan of fajr. That's the translation. So the father says Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. तो अल फजरी क्योंकि यहाँ पे जेर है या कसरा है, जेर को अरबी में कसरा बोलते हैं, क्योंकि कसरा है हमें पता है कि एक ऑफ है, तो ये अदान है फजर का, ठीक है। तो फजर का हमें पता चलता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जेर है। अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर। आइनल औलाद, किसको याद है? हु कैन टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ औलाद?
Children.
Very good. What is the singular of aulad? Aulad is children, many children. What is one child called?
Auladin.
No. What do we say for son? This actually should be where our, which is correct. So what would we say for son, Zahan? What did we say for son in the previous case? So son, Zahan, we have just seen this yesterday. Ibnun means son. Okay. Aulad is children. So aulad is used where we have both boys and girls. Is where we say aulad. Okay. So ainal aulad, where are the children? So the mother says Sa'dun fil hammami yatawaddahu. So al Sa'dun, fi means in. Okay. So fi fil hammami means in the hammam. Hammam means the bathroom, where we have a bathroom. Okay. So fil hammami means in the bathroom. Okay, is everyone able to hear me clear?
No, then that means there'll be a problem with her net.
Okay, everyone else able to hear me okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Hifza, check your connection. Let me go on because we have the quiz also to cover. So, Sa'dun fil hammami yatawadda'u. So, fil hammami means in the bathroom. And recollect, if we have a particle, again, this is just to explain to you, no need to memorize. So, when we have fi, it is a particle. So, fi would make the hammamu to hammami. Okay, so we have hammamu would become hammami. If I were to show it to you here, fi would make whatever comes after it into a zair form, into a kasra form. So, Sa'dun fil hammami is in the bathroom. Yatawaddau. Yatawaddau means making wudu. Wa aina Sa'idun. Sa'idun fil ghurfati. Sa'idun is... guys, everyone go on mute, please. Sa'idun fil ghurfati. Sa'id is in the room. It is the room because of the al. Okay, so ghurfatun would be any room. Fil ghurfati means the room. So it's probably referring to his room. Sa'id is in the room. Yaqra'ul Qur'an. So yaqra means to read or to recite. Al-Quran is Al-Quran al-Karim. Al-Quran is the Quran. तो उर्दू में साइदुन फिल हम्मामी, तो जब फी आता है उसका मतलब है किसी चीज के अंदर, और फी जब आएगा तो उसके बाद जो भी आएगा वर्ड वो जेर फॉर्म में आएगा, तो वो कसरा फॉर्म में आएगा। तो अल हम्मामू, क्योंकि हम फी ऐड कर रहे हैं, वो बन जाएगा फिल हम्मामी। हम्मामी मी क्योंकि फी आ रहा है। और अब जो पापा है वो पूछ रहे हैं आइना साइदुन, साइद कहाँ है? तो जो माँ है वो बोल रही है कि साइदुन फिल गुरफती, साइद कमरे में है और कोई कमरा नहीं, फी गुरफतिन नहीं है, फिल गुरफती है। तो साइदुन एक कमरे के अंदर है, ठीक है, तो मोस्टली वो उसका कमरा होना चाहिए, वो एक कमरे के अंदर है और कुरान पढ़ रहे हैं। तो यक़रऊ मतलब कुरान पढ़ रहे हैं, अल कुरान मतलब कुरान। वो आइना सईदतुन, नोटिस ये लोगों के नाम है, तो साद, सईद, सईदा और नेम्स ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन। तो सईदतुन फिल मुसल्ला तुसल्ली, तो सईदा मुसल्ला में है, अगेन फी मुसल्ला तुसल्ली, तुसल्ली मतलब वो सलाह पढ़ रहे हैं, तो वो नमाज पढ़ रहे हैं। फी मुसल्ला, मुसल्ला इज अ प्रेयर हॉल, तो think of it like masjid is a dedicated place. Everyone knows what a masjid is. A masjid is any place where it's a dedicated place, it's a proper masjid for prayers. If we have a small area dedicated for prayer, it's not a masjid, it is a musalla. So Saidun fil musalla tusalli. Ainal Me'taf. किसको पता है मे'तफ का मीनिंग क्या है? Okay, tell me what's the meaning of me'taf? It's written on the screen. Very good. Ainal Me'taf. Hada huwal Me'taf ya walidi. So hada we have seen. Hada means this. Huwa means he. It's used for anything which is masculine. Now Arabic, everything is masculine or feminine. Okay. So it's either we will use hada huwa or hadihi here. Hada huwa means here is. यहाँ है मे'तफ, तो यहाँ है the coat, तो आपका कोट यहाँ है, तो हादा हुआ when these are used in this fashion it means here is. Here is the मे'तफ, तो आपका कोट ये रहा आपका कोट, या वालिदी, या वालिद, या पापा. So again, notice we have the pronoun here. So you have ya walidi. Let me make this green. The e here is referring to me. Mere walid, mere papa. Hada huwal me'tafu ya walidi, mere papa. Okay, so the ya here refers to a pronoun. Who can tell which pronoun this refers to? What does ya refer to?
Female.
No. Walid is father, male. What does the ya refer to?
My father.
My father. What's the pronoun for my? Sadia. I am a student. How do I say I am a student? What do we say?
Ana.
Ana. Very good. Very good, Sadia and Adnan. So we have Ana. Okay. Ana. When it comes in the attached form, it becomes an ending ya. So walidi here refers to my father. Very good. Wa aina nadaratu. Hadihi hiya nadaratu ya walidi. So Saeed says, here is your spectacle ya walidi. So here are your spectacles. Notice nadaratu is feminine, and the indicator for it being feminine is the ending ta marbuta. So most words, when they end in ta marbuta, it's a feminine form. Okay. So in Arabic, me'taf, which is a coat, is masculine. So it's treated as if it is a boy. Nadara is treated as if it is a girl. Although in English we would say this is a coat, this is a spectacle. This neutral case doesn't exist in Arabic. Everything has to be masculine or feminine. तो Arabic में कोई ये है कोट, ये है चश्मा, ये फॉर्म नहीं है, ठीक है? तो हम बोलेंगे ये लड़का है मे'तफ या वो लड़की है चश्मा, तो वैसे ही बात करते हैं अरबी में, ठीक है? तो हादा हुवल मे'तफ, हादिही हिय नदारा, ठीक है? तो दिस इज मैस्कुलिन, दिस इज फेमिनिन. या वालिदी, माय फादर. तो अगेन एंडिंग या रेफर्स टू अना. तो या है, ये अना का अटैच फॉर्म है, इसका मतलब है मेरे पापा. हया बिना इलल मस्जिदी. तो हया बिना मतलब चलो चलते हैं. हया बिना मीन्स लेट्स गो. सो लेट्स गो टू द मस्जिद would be हया बिना इलल मस्जिदी. Ila means to, and ila like fi. So notice we have fil hammami, fil ghurfati. Okay, so after fi it becomes an ending Zair form. Fil ghurfati. Ila is the same. So it will become ilal masjidi. If they were to go to the room, it will become ilal ghurfati. To the bathroom, it will become ilal masjidi. To the school would become ilal madrasati. So school in Arabic is madrasa. To the school become ilal madrasati. In the school would become fil madrasati. And Saeed says hayya bina. Okay, so easy dialogue, little bit of practice, it will become easy inshallah. Ilaf, are you on the call? So Ilaf or Hania?
Yes.
Okay, so one of you, so Ilaf, repeat after me, you would become orange. And Hania, you repeat after me, you would be blue. Okay, so Ilaf, you repeat after me. Untur wastami wa aid. So see, listen and repeat. Hada adanul fajri.
Hada adanul fajri.
Very good. Now Hania, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Hania again. Ainal awlad.
Ainal awlad.
Sa'dun fil hammami yatawadda'u.
Sainal fil hamami miyatawaba.
Sa'dun.
Hadun.
Sad. So
Sadun.
yes. So Sa'dun is the
Sa'dun.
name Sad. Okay. So Sa'dun fil hammami
Sadun fil hamami.
yatawadda'u. So this is the dod. Okay. So this is yatawadda'u.
Yatawaddaw.
Very good. Now Hania, wa aina Sa'idun.
Wa aina Saidun.
Very good. Ilaf. Sa'idun.
Saidun.
Sa'idun fil ghurfati.
Saidun fil ghurfati.
Very good. Yaqra'ul Qur'ana.
Yaqra'ul Quran.
Very good. Wa aina Sa'ida.
Wa aina Saida.
Sa'ida fil musalla.
Saida il musalla.
Tusalli.
Tusalli.
Aina al-ma'taf. This is Hania. Aina al-ma'taf.
Ainal mataf.
Aina al-ma'taf. Hada huwa al-ma'taf.
Hada huwal maitaf.
Ya walidi.
Ya walidi.
Wa aina an-nadara.
Wa ainan nadara.
Hadihi hiya an-nadara.
Hazihi hiyan nadara.
Ya walidi.
Ya walidi.
Hayya bina
Haya bina.
ilal masjidi.
Ilal masjidi.
Hayya bina.
Haya bina.
Okay. Nimra and Sifra, are you on the call?
Yes.
Okay. So again, similar practice, both of you have seen the words. So Nimra will be the orange part.
Something uncommon.
And Sifra, you read the blue part. Okay, so repeat after me. Hada adanul fajri.
Hada adanul fajri.
Now Sifra, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Very good. Ainal awlad. Ainal awladu.
Awladu.
Sa'adun. Nimra. Sa'adun. I can't hear you. Can you repeat? Sa'adun.
Sa'adun.
Fil hammami. Fil hammami.
Hammami.
Let me come to this screen. Fil hammami yatawaddau.
Yatawaddau.
Wa aina sa'idun. I think this is you, Sifra. Aina sa'idun.
Aina Saidun.
Now Nimra, sa'idun fi
Saidun fi.
fil ghurfati. Fil ghurfati yaqra'ul Qur'ana. Now, Sifra, back to you. Wa aina sa'idatun. Sa'idatun
Saidat.
fil musalla
Allah.
tusalli. Now, Sifra, again you. Ainal mi'taf.
Aina Mata.
Nimra, hada huwal mi'taf.
Wal Mata.
Ya walidi. Ya walidi.
Walidi.
Wa aina nadara.
Nadara.
Nimra, hadihi hiya
Hadihi hiya.
an-nadaratu. An-nadaratu
Nadaratu.
ya walidi. Now, Sifra, hayya bina
Hayya bina.
ila al-masjidi.
Wal Masjidi.
Hayya bina.
Hayya bina.
Very good. So this is the lesson. We will now do the quiz. We have just enough time. So everyone, look at the instructions. Okay. So you need to go to kahoot.it. The quiz is going to be simple. It's going to be a short quiz of 9 questions. So on your phone, you need to keep Zoom active. Okay. So the questions, I will tell you clearly. The questions will come on Zoom. Okay. So the questions, you will see the questions in Zoom in the class. Only to enter your answers, you will go to Kahoot. ठीक है? तो हुजैल अफीफा, आपको जूम चालू रखना है क्योंकि सारे क्वेश्चंस जूम में आएंगे. ठीक है? तो जूम में आप क्वेश्चंस देखोगे, सिर्फ आंसर्स एंटर करने के लिए आप Kahoot खोलोगे इन पैरेलल. ठीक है? लेट मी ऑल्सो सेंड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑन व्हाट्सएप. सो यू नीड टू यूज बोथ Kahoot and WhatsApp. Sorry, both Kahoot and Zoom. Questions on Zoom, answers on Kahoot. That's how it works. Okay?
Actually, I'm in.
Very good, Adnan. You are first to be in.
I had already opened Zoom and kept.
Very good. Now you should come in the first 3, Adnan. Okay, so we will see if you can come in the first 3 or not.
Yeah, I'll tell this lady the.
Very good. So, guys, instructions to join Kahoot. I've sent you the link on WhatsApp. So keep Zoom open. Zoom को
I'm in.
Very good, Zahan. तो Kahoot पे आपको जाना है और Zoom चालू रखना है. तो questions Zoom पे आएंगे, answers आपको करना है Kahoot पे. सिर्फ answers के लिए और quiz के लिए है Kahoot. बाकी सब कुछ Zoom पे चलता रहेगा.
Sagar bhaiya, can you repeat the code?
The code is 1678133.
Yeah, that only I said.
So go to Kahoot. You will come to a screen like this. Okay, so these are the instructions. You come to this screen and you enter the game pin. So when it asks you for the game pin, you enter 1678133. Adia, Adnan, no fighting. You fight in the quiz. Okay, so we'll see who wins in the quiz. That's where your actual fight will take place. So no fighting in the class.
What Rita? How will we Rita?
Okay, so who is missing?
But how will we Rita?
Ilaf and Hania, you are on one device. You are in. Rahmat, very good. Hazik, you are in. Nahid auntie is in. Adnan is in. Zahan is in. Mama is in. Okay, Nimra, Sifra, Afifa, Fuzail. आपको जाना है zoom.kahoot.it पे. ठीक है? फिर ऐसे स्क्रीन आएगा, आपको गेम पिन एंटर करना है जो है 1678133 एंटर। फिर आपको अपना नाम लिखना है, तो नाम वुड बी फुजेल, ठीक है, और क्लिक करना है ओके गो। ये है इंस्ट्रक्शंस। फुजेल क्या आ रहा है बेटा आपकी स्क्रीन पे, आप ज्वाइन कर पा रहे हो? ठीक है, kahoot.it पे गया फुजेल अफीफा,
जा रहे हैं।
ठीक है। ओके, निम्रा सिफ्रा, आर यू एबल टू गो टू kahoot.it?
Yeah, we are joining. 1 second.
Okay, Anil aunty, are you on kahoot.it?
Am I there?
Arhin, I see you have joined the class. Are you clear on the instructions for it? I suggest you try the quiz, it's fun. So I suggest you go to kahoot.it, enter the pin. It's okay whatever you score, okay? So we'll learn going forward. This is your first class, but I suggest you go to kahoot.it and sign in with the game.
नंबर क्या है?
Okay, I think I did not send you the instructions for it. Let me send it to you. So this is the instruction.
Video नहीं, you're starting.
बोलिए नंबर क्या है? नंबर क्या है?
नंबर है 167
167
81
33
33. Very good, correct. Okay guys, one more minute and then we'll start, ठीक है? तो एक और मिनट। फुजेल, आप पिन डालने के बाद 1678133 आपको अपना नाम लिखना है और ओके गो क्लिक करना है।
लिख लिया।
वेरी गुड।
Am I in?
नो अनिल आंटी, नॉट येट। Arhin, what are you seeing? Are you able to enter the quiz? Sorry, come again. Fuzail is in. Someone has gone out.
Sir, I'm entering, sir.
Okay, guys, one more minute. We are running short on time. So quickly enter the game pin 1678133 on kahoot.it. After that, click enter. Enter your name and click OK go. Okay, one more minute and then we start. Okay, so regardless of whether you have joined or not, one more minute, we are starting. Sorry, Adnan.
3 players are not there.
Yes, so I cannot see Anil aunty.
Sahib, I'm unable to. Faiz, just see this.
Okay, Nimra, Sifra, where are you facing a difficulty? I do not see you on Kahoot. Can you tell me what is on your screen?
We have joined the game through another device, but it's not. I'm already into the game, but I think the name is not visible on your screen.
It is not possible because whoever's playing this game should be on my screen. Did you enter the correct pin? Did you enter 1678133?
Yeah, come on, honey. On your screen.
You re in.
Okay, guys, 10 more seconds and then we start. Okay, so you have the instructions on Zoom. Whoever was not able to join, you can see the whole game on Zoom. Whoever wants to join Kahoot, 5 more seconds and then we start. And Sifra, Nimra, if you need help, you need to tell me what's on your screen. What do you see on your screen?
We've joined. It's a bit slow, the network, so.
Okay. Anil aunty, do you need help? Okay, guys, whoever was not able to join, use the instructions which you have on WhatsApp, okay? And we are starting the game because we are short on time. What I will do now is I will mute all participants, okay? So I will read the questions. You need to see the questions on Zoom and go to Kahoot. Nimra, Sitra, you are good. You are in. So मैं फिर से बोलूँगा, फुजेल, आपको Zoom use करना है और काहूट भी यूज करना है। तो क्वेश्चंस आपको जूम में देखना है और जल्दी से काहूट में जाके आंसर करना, ठीक है? वी आर स्टार्टिंग, सो ऑल द बेस्ट एवरीवन। वी विल सी who's done well, and we will also see and learn our lessons via this quiz. So we will get started. This quiz is on the second chapter, which is the family. The first question is Ismuhu Muhammad. Ismuhu Muhammad, इसका ट्रांसलेशन क्या है? ब्लू है, his name is Muhammad, उसका नाम है, उस लड़के का नाम है मोहम्मद। रेड है, योर नेम इज मोहम्मद, तुम्हारा नाम है मोहम्मद। ग्रीन है, हर नेम इज मोहम्मद, उस लड़की का नाम है मोहम्मद। ऑरेंज है, माई नेम इज मोहम्मद, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद। तो आपको काहूट पे जाना है और आपके सामने 4 ऑप्शंस दिखेंगे। यू विल सी 4 ऑप्शंस ऑन काहूट। यू विल सी ब्लू विद डायमंड, रेड विद ट्रायंगल, ग्रीन विद स्क्वायर, orange with circle. You need to choose one of these options. Only one answer is correct. ठीक है? तो एक आंसर करेक्ट है, आपको करेक्ट आंसर चूज करना on count. I see 10 answers. I think we are just missing 1%. तो 1% ने आंसर नहीं किया। तो इसमुहु मोहम्मद, his name is Muhammad, your name is Muhammad, her name is Muhammad, orange, my name is Muhammad. So blue, red, green, orange. एक आंसर चूज करना है. We are missing 1%. Okay, we have 11 answers. I think there's one more person who's joined. Whoever has not marked the answer, जिसने भी आंसर नहीं मार्क किया है, काहूट पे जाके आंसर मार्क करना. तो जूम में आप क्वेश्चन देखोगे, आंसर आपको काहूट पे जाके देना है. Okay, 1% has not answered. जिसने भी आंसर नहीं किया है, जल्दी आंसर करना. Okay, answer is his name is Muhammad. उसका नाम है मोहम्मद. ठीक है, तो 6 लोगों ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया है, 5 लोगों ने गलत आंसर दिया है. इनफैक्ट 6 लोगों ने गलत आंसर दिया है. 6 लोगों ने आंसर किया है माई नेम इज मोहम्मद. My name is Muhammad will be ismi Muhammad. Remember, आना मतलब मैं, तो ismi जब या आएगा उसका मतलब है मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ismuhu, who stands for हुआ, so it is his name is Muhammad. Next question. Everyone ready? So Nimra and Sidra, very good. So you've just started the classes, but you are first. You answered the correct answer the first. Second is Hifza, third Zahan, fourth Sadia, fifth Mama. We will continue. So very कम difference है between the speed, but अगर आप आंसर गलत दोगे you don't get any points. Okay, so very important है correct आंसर देना. Next question. Double points. ठीक है, bonus question. इस सेंटेंस में गलती है. ठीक है, सेंटेंस है अंति मुअल्लिम. अंति मुअल्लिम सेंटेंस में एक गलती है. करेक्ट क्या होगा? तो पिक्चर है, एक लड़की है, बोर्ड पे कुछ लिख रही है. बोनस क्वेश्चन, करेक्ट आंसर आप दोगे डबल पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. ऑप्शन है ब्लू अंत मुअल्लिमतुन, रेड है अंत मुअल्लिमुन, ग्रीन है अंत इल्मुन, ऑरेंज है अंति मुअल्लिमतुन. फिर से करेक्ट द सेंटेंस. जो सेंटेंस लिखा है यहाँ पे अंति मुअल्लिम या अंति मुअल्लिमुन, इसमें गलती है. करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? एक लड़की है जो एक टीचर है. तो आप टीचर हो, ठीक है, तो आप टीचर हो और आप एक लड़की टीचर हो, कैसे बोलेंगे? ब्लू अंत मुअल्लिमतुन, रेड अंत मुअल्लिमुन, ग्रीन अंत इल्मुन, ऑरेंज अंति मुअल्लिमतुन. बोनस क्वेश्चंस गाइस, डबल पॉइंट्स. आंसर मार्क करना फॉर श्योर और सही आंसर मार्क करना. ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज. अंत मुअल्लिमा ब्लू, अंत मुअल्लिम रेड, ग्रीन अंत इल्म, ऑरेंज अंति मुअल्लिमा। दो या तीन लोगों ने आंसर नहीं किया है, ठीक है। बोनस क्वेश्चन, 9 लोगों ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया है, वेरी गुड, ब्रिलियंटली डन। अंति मुअल्लिमा, तो मुअल्लिम इज मैस्कुलिन, लड़का को बोलेंगे मुअल्लिम, ठीक है। तो अंता मुअल्लिम वुड बी रॉन्ग क्योंकि एक लड़की है ये, ठीक है। तो अंता मुअल्लिम इज आल्सो करेक्ट, बट इस केस में लड़के हैं तो इट विल बी अंति मुअल्लिमा। वेरी गुड। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हिफ्जा इज फर्स्ट, वेरी गुड। सादिया सेकंड, मम्मा थर्ड, जहान फोर्थ, हाजिक फिफ्थ। गुड गाइस, कम ऑन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हादा कलमुन, हादा कलमुन है क्वेश्चन, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? ब्लू है, दिस इज माई पेन, ये मेरा कलम है, दिस इज माई पेन इज ब्लू। रेड इज दिस इज अ पेन, ये एक कलम है। ग्रीन, दिस इज द पेन, ये वो कलम है, दैट इज ग्रीन, दिस इज द पेन। ऑरेंज इज दिस इज द ब्लू पेन, ये वो ब्लू कलम है, इज ऑरेंज। अगेन क्वेश्चन, हादा कलमुन, ब्लू दिस इज माई पेन, ये मेरा कलम है। रेड दिस इज अ पेन, ये एक कलम है। ग्रीन दिस इज द पेन, ये वही कलम है, वो कलम है ये। ऑरेंज दिस इज द ब्लू पेन, ऑरेंज है, ये वो ब्लू कलम है। टाइम बहुत कम है गाइस, अभी आगे वाले क्वेश्चन में टाइम बहुत कम होगा, तो जल्दी से आपका आंसर मार्क करना है। सिर्फ 8 ही लोगों ने आंसर दिया, 4-5 लोगों ने आंसर नहीं दिया। टाइम्स अप, सिर्फ 9 लोगों ने आंसर दिया है। दिस इज अ पेन, करेक्ट आंसर, हादा कलमुन। 1 person has answered this is my pen, my pen is wrong क्योंकि कलमी मतलब my pen, या नहीं है तो it is not my pen। Green, 1 person has answered green, this is the pen, the जब आएगा तो we will also see a null। हादल कलमू would be this is the pen, ठीक है। हादा कलमुन a pen, the pen is हादल कलमू। हिफ्जा correct, Sadia also correct, Mama is third, Zahan fourth, Adnan, where are you Adnan? You need to compete with Sadia in the quiz. Okay, you need to fight with Sadia in the quiz. Adnan, come on. All the other questions, if you answer correct, you can still come in top 3.
Akib bhaiya, I can't see the questions.
Then listen to the question and answer, Adnan. I am telling you the questions. Okay? So, listen to the questions and answer correctly, Adnan. If you want to see the question, go on Zoom or listen and answer. You can listen and answer it correctly. Fourth question. Hadal qalamu. Hadal qalamu is the question. This is, we see a pen in the screen. So, एक pen दिख रहा है screen पे. Hadal qalamu. Adnan, pay attention. The question is Hadal qalamu. Blue is, this is the blue pen. ये वो blue कलम है, is blue. Red, this is my pen, ये मेरा कलम है, is red। Green is this is the pen, ये वो कलम है, ठीक है। 8 ही लोग आंसर कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन, और this is the pen, 6 people correct, 2 people wrong। This is the blue pen, blue नहीं है इसमें, ठीक है। तो blue अगर होता तो blue कलर का नाम मेंशन होता, ठीक है। तो blue नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, तो blue नहीं होगा आंसर में। This is my pen, अगेन माई पेन मतलब हादा कलमी, या जब आएगा only then it is my pen. The answer is not this is my pen. Hifza, Mama again top 2 places, Sadia third, very nice Sadia, Zahan fourth, Anila auntie fifth. Come on, next question. Hada kalami, now trick question. Hada kalami, this is what people have been answering wrong so far. Hada kalami, blue, this is my pen. Red, this is a pen. ये एक कलम है, is red. Green है, ये उसका कलम है. Green, ये उसका कलम है, this is his pen. Orange, this is the pen. ये वो कलम है, is orange. Okay? Question is hada kalami. Blue, red, green, orange. Quickly, guys. 9 people, this is my pen. Very good. So जब या आएगा, कलमी आएगा, this is my pen. Again, Hifza, Rahila, Sadia, Zahan, Anila. Very good. 6th question. ट्रांसलेट वालिदी. वालिदी का मतलब क्या है? ठीक है, वालिदी उसका मतलब क्या है? ब्लू माई सन, मेरे बेटे या मेरा बेटा. रेड है फादर, पापा. ग्रीन है माई फादर, मेरे पापा. ऑरेंज है सन, बेटा. ठीक है, तो वालिदी इसका ट्रांसलेशन क्या है? एवरीवन हैज आंसर्ड? नो, अगेन या. 3 people have got the ya wrong. So walidi is my father, मेरे वालिद. वालिदुन would be father. ठीक है, तो 3 लोगों ने जिन्होंने आंसर रॉन्ग मार्क किया है, जिन्होंने फादर मार्क किया है, अपने या का मीनिंग नहीं ऐड किया, तो दैट इज द मिस्टेक. तो वालिदी जब या आएगा, यू नीड टू रिमेंबर या मतलब मेरा, अना. मेरे वालिद है वालिदी. सो दैट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेड एंड ग्रीन.
अयो साबरा पा कैसा से ये करना?
मम्मा, go on mute, mama. No, can we continue? You need to cut the call and continue the lesson. Okay, guys. Next question. Okay, so we have Mama first. Mama seems to have beaten Sadia in the answers. Hifza, you seem to have gotten this answer wrong. You need to catch up quickly, and there's a bonus question coming. Anila, Zahan, you also seem to have got this answer wrong. Okay, come on, guys, pay attention. Adnan, you are getting the answers correct. Okay, very good. Continue. I'm getting disturbance. I'm going to mute everyone again. Okay, next, 7th question. Correct the sentence. तो ये क्वेश्चन में गलती है. हादिही कलमुन. हादिही कलमुन, ये क्वेश्चन में गलती है. करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? ब्लू हादा कलमतुन. हादा कलमतुन ब्लू. हादिही कलमुन रेड. हादिही कलमतुन ग्रीन. हादा कलमुन ऑरेंज. तो क्वेश्चन हादिही कलमुन में गलती है. करेक्ट आंसर क्या है वो आपको मार्क करना है. ब्लू है हादा कलमतुन, रेड हादिही कलमुन, ग्रीन हादिही कलमतुन, ऑरेंज हादा कलमुन. करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? 4 में से एक ही आंसर करेक्ट है. हादा कलमतुन ब्लू, हादिही कलमुन रेड, हादिही कलमतुन ग्रीन. वेरी गुड. आंसर इज हादा कलमुन, क्योंकि कलम मैस्कुलिन है. कलम लड़के का फॉर्म लेता है, तो इसलिए हादा कलमुन. हादा कलमतुन इज रॉन्ग. कलमुन मेल है, तो कलमुन आएगा. एंड रेड में हादिही कलमुन इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. ठीक है, हादिही कलमुन क्वेश्चन है जो खुद ही रॉन्ग है. ठीक है, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज हादा कलमुन. Rahila again correct. Sadia second. Anila third. Hifza, you are fourth. Hifza, you need to catch up fast. Hazik fifth. Come on, Zahan. You also seem to have gone to sixth. Quickly, guys. 8th question. Hata jadduhu. इसका ट्रांसलेशन क्या है? Hata jadduhu is the question. Blue, this is his uncle. ये उसके अंकल है, इज ब्लू. रेड इज दिस इज हिज ग्रैंडफादर. ये उसके दादा है, इज रेड. ग्रीन इज दिस इज माय ग्रैंडफादर. ये मेरे दादा है, इज ग्रीन. ऑरेंज इज दिस इज माय ग्रैंडमदर. क्वेश्चन इज हाता जद्दुहु. ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज. नो टाइम. क्विकली गाइस. Okay, only 9 people answered. About 3-4 people were slow. You need to be faster. There's only one question left. This is his grandfather. Hatta jadduhu is correct. 3 people again wrong. My grandfather. My grandfather would be jaddi. अगर या नहीं है, my या आना नहीं आएगा. Pay attention, guys. जब my grandfather, मेरे दादा आएंगे, तो या आएगा, जद्दी आएगा. तो अगेन हम सेम गलती, या के कारण काफी लोग रॉन्ग आ रहे हैं अभी भी. ठीक है, जद्दू हु उसके दादा है. Scoreboard. Hifza, very good, third. So positions are Rahila, Sadia, Hifza, Anila, Hazik. Zahan, you are down. Adnan, still you need to revise more. A lot of your answers are wrong. Newcomers, pay attention. You are learning a lot of vocabulary here, and you are also learning a lot of grammar. लास्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, बोनस क्वेश्चन, ये चेंज कर सकता है बहुत कुछ. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, 2x points. Hada ibnuka is the question. Hada ibnuka. Okay. इसका ट्रांसलेशन क्या है? Hada ibnuka. In the photo we see a boy. Hada ibnuka. Does it mean this is my son? Blue. Blue है ये मेरे बेटे हैं, ये मेरा बेटा है, वो है blue. Red है is this his son? क्या ये उसका बेटा है? That is red. Green is this his father? क्या वो उसके पापा है? That is green. Is this your son? Is orange. क्या ये आपके बेटे हैं? Is orange. ठीक है. Hada ibnuka with a question mark. यह है question. Blue, this is my son. ये मेरे बेटे हैं. Red, this is his son. ये उसके बेटे हैं. Green, this is his father. ये उसके पापा हैं. Green, is this your son? क्या ये आपके बेटे हैं? No time guys, time up. Only 5 people correct. Is this your son? तो का is anta. ठीक है. Is this his son? Is wrong. क्योंकि hata ibnu who form stands for हुआ. हुआ means his. तो his son is wrong. Ibnu का मतलब आपका बेटा. ठीक है. तो answer is orange. Is this his father? Father is Walid. Ibn is son. ठीक है. Ahata waliduka would be, is this your father? Ahata waliduhu, this is father. This is ibnuka, which is your son. तो ibn मतलब son, का मतलब your. ठीक है. तो we will see the result. Third is Nahid aunty. Nahid aunty has come up very fast. Second, Sadia. And first is Mama. Mama, all 9 out of 9 correct. Very good. Sadia, Nahid aunty, 7 out of 9 correct. Very, very well done. 2 mistakes. The rest are even lower scores. Okay. So, very quickly. Mama, if you can unmute and speak. What did you do to answer all of the questions correctly? What is the secret of your success?
Practice.
Practice. Very good, Mama. Sadia, very good. You've done very well. You've come up fast. How did you get the answers correct, Sadia? And how did you beat Adnan in the quiz by a big margin? So what is the secret of your success?
Revision.
Revision. Very good, Sadia. Nahid aunty, what is the secret of your success? Nahid aunty, you seem to be on mute. Do you want to share the secret of your success? Nahid aunty? Okay, we don't seem to be able to hear you, but I'll tell you, Mama, Nahid aunty are one among the first to send the homework. Okay, so their homework is always correct and they are always the first. So they always send the homework well ahead of time. Maybe 2 days, 3 days ahead of time, they complete the homework. And they do a lot of practice and revision. And also what we heard from Sadia is practice and revision. There's no other secret to learning the language. If we learn English, Hindi, Urdu, जब हम English, Hindi, Urdu सीखते हैं, तो हम सुनते हैं क्योंकि हमारे आसपास के लोग बात करते हैं उर्दू. Lot of people around us speak to us in English. We speak English, so we learn the language easily. In Arabic, there's no one to speak to in Arabic. We do not speak in Arabic on a daily basis. तो हम अरबी में बात नहीं करते ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. तो अब कैसे सीखोगे अरबी जब हम सुनते नहीं और हम बोलते नहीं हो? आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है ताकि आप सुनो भी और आप बोलो भी. ठीक है. तो दिस इज वेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ द क्लास एंड द होमवर्क एंड द एक्सरसाइजेस इन द बुक कम वेरी यूजफुल. तो जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, जितना ज्यादा आप रिवाइज करोगे, जितना आप सुनोगे और आप बोलोगे, द मोर यू लिसन, the more quickly and correctly you will learn the new language, inshallah. So that is quiz number 2. We will play more Kahoot quizzes. So those who did not come in the top 3, don't get disappointed. We will have more quiz as a regular part of our classes because it helps us learn quickly and it helps us test our knowledge. So on that note, we will close this class and we will connect next Saturday, inshallah, at 12:30. So thank you everyone for attending this class. Congrats to the top 3 winners, and we will close on that note. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah khair.
Wa iyyakum, ma salama. See you all in the next class.